and you wire it up here. Make your wire a little wider than the width of the canvas here, so it'll have some slack in it. And you fold it up here, loop it through your eye hook like that. Give it one firm twist here, and then once you got that, start twisting it over and wrap it up here. Inches, certainly, and then go back the other way, going within the loops that you just made. And before you want to hang this, you want to make sure that's good and snug. You'll go up to the top loop and repeat, and then give it about slack like this here, so that it's not taut, or you'll never actually get on your hook on the wall.